This backpack vacuum has been exclusively designed for RapidClean customers to be safe, reliable, easy to use, quiet, lightweight, and powerful, making it a favourite amongst professional cleaners. It has a 1300-watt flow-through motor, generating 34.4 litres per second of airflow to provide strong suction of 307 watts for the most challenging jobs. This machine offers 2 stages of motor protection when a blockage occurs. A relief valve and a thermal cutout system provide excellent safety and prevent the motor from overheating. This backpack vacuum is one of the lightest in the commercial cleaning industry, weighing just 4.8 kilograms, giving the user the freedom and movement they need to complete any task quickly and efficiently. With noise levels at 68.5 decibels, it's also a good option for quiet zones. The RapidClean backpack vacuum is a stylish machine with a clear dome lid that allows the user to see when the dust bag needs emptying quickly. The uniquely designed offset inlet and lid shape create a cyclonic effect to help lift dust from the bottom of the bag, ensuring maximum airflow. The lid can easily switch from left or right-hand usage to ensure a comfortable experience for the user. The RapidClean backpack vacuum has a 4-level filtration system. The 5-litre reusable cloth bag is made with quality material to trap more dust and dirt and is easy to clean. The disposable sealed dust bag provides an extra level of dust retention and easy disposal, improving indoor air quality and hygiene. The pre-motor cartridge, reusable dust bag, disposable SMS dust bag, and exhaust filter provide the 4 levels of filtration and prolong the motor life. The exhaust filter provides the final filtration stage for your vacuum, ensuring clean air enters the room. The hardwired short lead improves reliability and reduces downtime. It provides users with the ability to switch the extension lead easily, connects to the 18-metre-long extension lead, and is secured by the cord restraint assembly, preventing accidental disconnection whilst in use. When we designed this vacuum, we paid particular attention to the safety and ergonomics of the harness to ensure maximum comfort for the user. The well-padded and easily adjustable straps and harness are made from premium materials, providing breathability and ultimate wearable comfort. To safely secure the RapidClean backpack vacuum, it is fitted with an extra-wide hook and loop hip band and a chest strap to promote the correct posture for the user when wearing this vacuum. A simple flick of the switch on the left-hand side of the machine makes operation a breeze. The RapidClean backpack vacuum comes with a low-profile floor tool designed for use on most surfaces, including carpets and hard floors, and is excellent for accessing those hard-to-reach places. The low-profile floor tool is attached to the backpack with a lightweight plastic 2-piece wand that allows flexibility for the user by utilising one or both pieces for hard-to-reach areas. The RapidClean backpack vacuum comes with a slender-shaped crevice tool with an angled tip for thorough cleaning of skirting boards, door trims, and window ledges. The RapidClean backpack vacuum is built to last and comes with a 2-year warranty on the motor and body, giving you peace of mind when you make your purchase from any RapidClean store. Contact your local RapidClean store, where our friendly staff will be happy to be of service.